Includes 8 jumpers to fit most popular relays. Includes test lead kit for easily and securely connecting relay test jumpers to a multimeter. Terminal leads with switch, fuse and power options provide easy access to check current or voltage on many fuses and relays used on vehicles today. Also allows testing of relay configurations not covered by 8 relay test jumpers, like Volkswagen, BMW and other European vehicles. Relay puller pliers easily remove electrical relays, weorks without piercing wires. Kit makes testing relays or live circuits quick and easy. Top reviews from the United States. Please make a smaller box. It's a huge box for just some relay testers lol. That's the problem really. I want to keep them in the box and all nice and clean, but the box is like huge, and even though it has every relay I've ever seen and needed to test, the box sucks so much lol. Other than that, it's an outstanding product and they have really come in handy.